A survey done in Kentucky showing that for kindergartners and seventh graders, only about 85% of them are actually up to date on their immunizations for whooping cough. And there are some, issues that are worth highlighting here. The first is, why do we care so much about this? And the reason that we care about it so much is that infants, because they have very small airways and kind of underdeveloped immune systems, are really susceptible to respiratory infections. And a disease like pertussis or whooping cough can devastate them. It can cause symptoms of swelling that sounds somewhat like asthma, but it's much more severe.